Pricing is one of the biggest mindset blocks for creative business owners. You want to charge what you're worth, but you don't want to scare clients away. In this lesson, we're going to break down how to price your web design services with confidence, clarity, and strategy, even if you're just starting out. Let's make sure you're not guessing anymore. Step 1. Shift from hourly to value-based pricing. Clients don't care how many hours you worked. They care about results. So instead of saying, I charge $50 per hour, start saying, this website is $2,000 and here's what that includes. This reframes the conversation around value, not time. And it rewards you for working faster, not slower. Step 2. Know your numbers. Let's talk about what you actually need to charge to run a sustainable business. Ask yourself, how much do I want to make per month? How many projects can I realistically take on? What expenses do I have, software, taxes, etc.? If your goal is $6,000 a month and you can handle 3 projects, that's $2,000 a project minimum. Knowing your baseline removes the guesswork and gives you a pricing floor. Step 3. Create tiered packages. Not every client needs the same thing. Offering 2-3 options makes it easier for people to say yes. Here's an example. Starter 1500. 3-page custom site. Mobile responsive. Basic contact form. 1 round of revisions. Standard 2500. 5-page site. Strategy call included. Basic SEO setup. 2 rounds of revisions. Premium 4000. 6 to 8 pages. Full copywriting. Custom lead gen funnel. Ongoing support or training. Tiers help clients self-select based on their needs and budget. They also give you room to grow your income over time. Step 4. Anchor with results, not just features. When talking about your price, tie it back to what it helps them achieve. Instead of saying, this includes 5 pages in SEO, say, this helps you show up in search, build trust, and turn visitors into leads, all with a design that reflects your brand. That's value. Always sell the outcome, not the output. Step 5. Practice saying your price. Confidence comes from repetition. Stand in front of a mirror and say, that project would be $2,500. My websites start at $3,000. For that scope, I recommend our standard package at $1,800. Say it with calm clarity, then pause. Let it land. You're not just quoting a number, you're setting the tone. Remember, clients don't just buy a website. They buy a solution to a problem. When you own your value, they will too. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to deliver a 5-star experience that makes your clients rave, refer, and return. Let's turn your pricing into a powerful asset.